My bedtime is at 8. But I don't go to bed. Cause I'm the boss.
Can you say hello? Can you say oh no? Good girl. Can you say I love you? Yes, good girl.